Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook gloom-resistant food. We'll explore ingredients and techniques that bring comfort and joy to your plate. Understanding how certain foods can positively impact your mood is key. We'll focus on creating meals that are both nourishing and satisfying, helping you feel better from the inside out. Get ready to transform your cooking into a source of well-being. Certain ingredients are powerhouses for boosting your spirits. Think about incorporating omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon or walnuts and complex carbohydrates from sweet potatoes or quinoa. Don't forget lean proteins like chicken breast or lentils, which provide sustained energy. And always include a rainbow of fruits and vegetables packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants to truly nourish your body and mind. Simple cooking methods can yield incredibly comforting results. Slow cooking stews or roasts allows flavors to deepen, creating truly satisfying meals. Baking, whether it's a warm bread or a casserole, fills your home with inviting aromas. Nourishing soups and broths are perfect for a gentle, warming meal. The key is to focus on fresh, wholesome ingredients and minimal processing to maximize both flavor and well-being. You don't need hours to prepare gloom-busting meals. A hearty lentil soup can be ready in under 30 minutes, packed with fiber and protein. Baking a small batch of oatmeal cookies offers a sweet, comforting treat. Roasting a tray of colorful vegetables like bell peppers and zucchini with a drizzle of olive oil and herbs is simple and delicious. Or, quickly assemble a vibrant salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas for a fresh, satisfying option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.